Right, and aside from the other stuff I was doing, we've got a damaged set of scales here. These legs have fallen off, and they're supposed to go in these holes, and supposed to be basically a cylinder, pushes down on that stud and actually registers the weight. Now, there is actually a metal disc, and then there's this. So what I've done is I've used these as, well, actually I've just used them as dumb calipers really. I wasn't needing massive precision to get basically the width of this, which came out as, I think it was 15, and the height of that, which came out at around about 8, I think, that plus the disc here. And once I'd gotten the width and the height of these, so that's coming out around about just under 10 millimeters, and this was the retaining clip that went under there. Then I was able to go and just throw this into Tinkercad, where I can just use 2 cylinders. I can use the alignment tool to go and align them in the same positions, and can also use these for dimensioning. So 10 millimeters. We've got the 20 millimeter base under there. I can then take this and hit the export button, export it as an STL, and actually this is my second export now. The thing is, got to make sure I've got both selected when I export, otherwise it'll only actually export one of them. So just a bit of a gotcha, so I'm going to have to control and click to export, to select both of them. I think I've got both, yeah, I've got both. Okay, let's do the export again. And I love the names it's making. It's called it Ingenious Woof. Ingenious Woof, sorry. Okay, it's this file here, so we'll show in folder. And let's just delete the first one and delete this other attempt where I export. Okay, and I'm going to drop it into Cura because although I'm experimenting with Idea Maker, let's get rid of this one that was a fail earlier. And I'm going to slice and print that.